How to fix live suspended on TikTok. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile option given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now navigate to the option settings and privacy. Now here you're gonna find different section. Scroll all the way down. Head over to the section support and about. Under that, you'll find the option report a problem. Click on it. Now navigate to the option live. Select the option hosting live. Click on the option live is suspended. Is your problem resolved? Click on no. Click on need more help. Now here select the option live again. Now select the option I cannot start a live. Now you can have conversation with TikTok support team. Just describe your issue in detail and then TikTok support team will come up with this solution for you. So this is how you can fix live suspended on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.